Hi guys, welcome back to Artec, and today's video is going to be about the Wipro Garnet Smart LED bulb.
So here we have the Wipro Garnet LED bulb in its box. It's just a general paper box. Inside we have the LED bulb itself. It looks just like a normal bulb you would find in the market, just slightly larger. Then comes with the instruction manual, which has some basic instructions to help you set up the bulb, like just install the app and how to connect it to Alexa and Google, that kind of simple stuff. That's all that comes in the box. So I've already installed and set up my Wipro Smart Home app and connected my bulb to it. That is the light that is showing up there. I generally named it light. It is currently switched off, but the power switch is on. It is switched off through the smart app, and now I'm toggling it on and off. It's just a general on and off button in the smart home app. And when you move it towards this side, this is the white color wheel. Just now I moved it towards the warmer white and now to the cooler white. The warmer white is a bit yellowish tinge. The cooler white is a bit bluish tinge, and the center light color is shown in the center. This is the brightness adjustment. You can go from 1% to 100%. I generally like to keep it at 50%. Now when we go on to the color wheel, it can show up to 16 million colors as insisted by Wipro. So this is the color wheel. You can select any color you want. You can also ask your voice Google or Alexa assistants to change the color to any of these colors. Bottom we have the brightness of the color too, and also the darkness of the color. When the darkness is 0, it becomes to a white light, and then the tinge slowly increases. Next we have the scene modes that have different scenes, such as the night mode, the reading mode, the working mode, for different occasions. You can select whichever you like. This is the edit option for them. You can create your own too. It's just general editing, like the speed of the changes in the color, or what colors must change, what is the name of it, and all that kind of stuff. It's really good. And also you can make it multicolor, like our general colorful LED would be. So that is great. And you can change the speed at which the colors change. Very simple, very easy to use. Next we have the timer to turn off the LED. The timer to turn off the LED is basically, you can just set the time saying turn off the LED after 1 minute or 10 minutes, or suppose you are going out and you want it to turn off after an hour, it will turn off after an hour. And suppose you want it to turn on at 6 o'clock Sunday, Monday and Tuesday, or only Tuesday and Thursday, then you can schedule it to be turned off or on. It can send you a notification when it's on. You can add a note to it saying, suppose good evening, since it's at 6 o'clock. I am just giving an example of good evening. You can add a note to it or anything like that. And you can also select whether it should turn on or turn off. It's up to you. That is a schedule. That is really convenient in case you're not in town or anything like that. So now I'm going to show you how the modes I just showed you are going to work on the light bulb. So now we're currently turned on and we're in the white mode. Now I'm moving to the cooler side of the white, the bluish white, as I said. This is more of what you get in a tube light or anything like that. Now I've moved to the warmer white that looks more like a candle or that kind of a shade. And now I've decreased the brightness and I've increased the brightness again. It's just showing you how it will look on the light. Now moving to the color, this is when I moved around the color wheel, the change of colors. Colors are very vibrant and you have really a lot of options, because 16 million colors is not less. also some modes can be used as I showed you. I will show you the modes in just a minute. The modes that I'm using a mode right now. So this is the gorgeous mode at the end, the last one. This just keeps changing the light colors, interchanging the light colors in the circle. So it's a really elegant light mode. You can even use light modes like reading mode or just like work mode. It's already preloaded in the app for specifications or specific world conditions. There are also other modes like colorful mode that flicker like this and they just suddenly change the color just like that. So there are a lot of things you can play around with in this light bulb which are very interesting. Also you can train the assistants to control them, saying turn off the light or turn on the light and various useful things like that. So it definitely is a good buy if you're looking into getting into a smart home kind of a thing, and this is the first step probably to getting into something like that. It has turned out to be really useful for me, especially since we can operate it remotely and also because of the multiple colors that we get. It can also be used as a normal light bulb. That's what I'm going to show you right now. So it is switched on in the app and also in the main switchboard. So if I just go and turn off the main switchboard, that was the only light in the room, so everything went dark. So it works just like a normal LED bulb in the room that does like any other light's job. Now when you turn it back on, it comes back on into the same color and mode that it was in. Here I've just listed few points that you might want to consider while buying the bulb. So it is obviously a smart bulb, so it has Wi-Fi connectivity. It connects to the 2.4 GHz band on the routers. It is controllable through the Wipro Next Smart Home app or through the Google Assistant and Alexa Assistant, and also can be used as a normal bulb as I showed you in the previous clip. It displays up to 16 million colors along with the warm and cool white, which also I have demonstrated in the video. 16 million colors is really good. 220 to 240 volts operating range. It's a 9-watt bulb. So also the range is okay. It is schedulable on and off. That means you can schedule when you want to switch it on and switch it off. I've explained that too. And the timer to switch off or to switch on, that I've shown you there. The brightness can be adjusted through the smartphone or through your assistants. You can tell your assistant change the brightness to so and so time and they'll change it. The color shade can be modified in the color wheel, and various preloaded modes are there for different occasions. And like I showed you the modes, the smooth transition of color modes or the flickering modes, or just the static colors. It does not require a bridge like some other smart bulbs. What I mean by this is, some smart bulbs, even from Wipro, require a separate bridge. It is also a smart device that helps the bulbs connect to the Wi-Fi and get onto the net, which may cost you extra, and also it can take up space and it causes a clutter. But this LED bulb does not require that, like most of the other LED bulbs do. So that is great. And it can also be operated remotely.
So that was all about the Wipro Garnet Smart LED bulb. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.